Wall Street is set to dip lower on Tuesday morning. Global bourses are down as risk is off the table. Geopolitical tensions are in the spotlight after North Korea launched a missile that flew over Japan before landing in the sea. Now, the market reaction was a rush into safe haven assets, including the yen and spot gold. Here in the U.S., President Trump heads to Texas in the aftermath of Hurricane Harvey. Now, taking a look at equity prices here in the U.S. in the previous session, U.S. indices closed mixed. Shares in the insurance, diversified financials, and energy sectors were under pressure. Meanwhile, shares in the pharma, biotech, and life sciences, as well as tech hardware and equipment and healthcare equipment and services gained traction. 46% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, moving on to company news, Best Buy is in the spotlight. The company beat earnings and revenue forecasts. The electronics retailer reported that same-store sales soared past forecasts, rising 5.4%. Best Buy's results were boosted by sales of smartphones, as well as wearable fitness devices and connected home devices. Moving on to Accorda Therapeutics, shares of the company tumbled in pre-market trade. The FDI won't let Accorda file for approval of its Parkinson's disease treatment. The decision means that Accorda's drug application was not complete enough for the regulator to review it. And looking at overseas markets, Asian markets are lower, with the Nikkei off nearly 0.5%, the Hang Seng off 0.35%, and South Korea's Kospi off nearly 0.25%. European indices are trading lower on Tuesday. Now, here in the U.S., the Nasdaq is in the spotlight. The downside does prevail on an intraday basis. Trading central analysts do prefer short positions below 58.22, with targets standing at 57.65 and 57.52 in extension. As for the S&P 500, the key resistance stands at 24.36, and for the Dow Industrials, it is under pressure.